friends, welcome back to my channel. Calma here, and to those who are new, please welcome. And to all my fans and to all my viewers, thank you to all of you. Today we are making another healthy and easy recipe to follow. It is a mixed potatoes with chicken breast party recipe, and it is delicious. I hope you try this at home. So let's get started and follow along. And what we need are sweet peas, sweet corn, sesame oil, olive oil, oregano, table salt, shallots, garlic, carrots, yellow potatoes, oriental potatoes, Honduras sweet potatoes, sweet potato, water, freshly ground black pepper, and chicken breast. Season the chicken breast first. Set aside for cooking. So peel all the shallots and thinly slice them. Finely chopped all the garlic. Peel all the carrots and all the potatoes and slice them or cut them as you wish, or you may follow my way of cutting. Set aside. Cut the edge and cut into pieces. Be careful with your fingers. I usually cut them into triangles, or you can cut them in squares. It's up to you. And the reason I soak them in water is to avoid oxidization to discoloration. You don't want your potatoes to go brown. The same shape of cutting or your own way. Chopped finely all the garlic and set aside for cooking. 1 for the chicken and 2 for the potatoes. Now we're ready to cook. Start with high heat and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil for the chicken. So we are cooking the chicken first on high heat until they are cooked. Heat for about a minute or 2. Then add a teaspoon of garlic and the 1 shallots that we sliced. Saute for about a minute or 2, or until the aroma comes out. Add the chicken breast. Saute, mix well. Sizzling. My favorite sounds in cooking. Cover. In the same pan, high heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And the chicken, oh my, very tender and juicy, and it's not dry. 3 minutes. They're easy to cook because they're already cut up. So now let's add our potatoes. See, they're not brown because they're soaked in water. Mix well. This time we're adding a teaspoon of salt for now. Okay. Adjust your taste. Add about half a cup of water. After it boils, turn the heat to medium. Simmer for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, lid off, add the carrots. Lid on for another minute. After 1 minute, lid off, add the sweet peas and the sweet corn. Cover for another minute and our recipe is done. Yummy! Isn't that easy to do? We don't need to add sugar. The sweet potatoes, the carrots, the sweet peas, and the corn are naturally sweet. After another minute, lid off, add our chicken. Yummy. And half of our oregano. Mix well. We will save this for our toppings. Add freshly ground black pepper. Mix. Our recipe is done. Turn the heat off. Set aside, and it's ready for serving. The best part is to try what I cooked. A chicken, so tender. These are all for me, just kidding. Sweet potato. So good. The taste is just perfect. Tender, it's not dry, and it's juicy. That's it for now, my friends. We are going to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next upload, cheers.